Hey guys, so I'm back with another exciting vlog. Right now I'm at CST going to Goa with my friends. So I'm quite really excited for that. Wait.
Yay, we are going to Goa finally!
We have made it to Goa. So finally we have reached our apartment and we have checked in. We got freshened up. So right now we are heading out for lunch and as I mentioned in my previous vlogs, you should always opt for an apartment or a villa if you are going with a group. So we are a set of 7 people. There's a balcony view. So it's always recommendable, as I said in my previous vlog, that if you go with a group, then it's good if you opt for an apartment or a villa. So I'll just give you a quick room tour. This is the kitchen.
Yay, and we are filling the water.
What are you guys doing here?
We're filling water. We are like you.
Bye. So we have come to event area, already dining for our lunch. So we just had it. I was very hungry, I couldn't walk that time. So we have just finished the food. Got this cool hat and he owns it. So right now we are in Fort Aguda and how was your day? This is my friend Asha. This is Shruti. How was your day?
Yeah,
Actually we started off very late at 2 o'clock.
yeah,
and then
we got our rooms very late and we are tired. Like we literally needed rest since we didn't sleep for last night because of train traveling. It's okay.
So
but
now
still
we are
enjoy.
energized after having food. So let's see. This is Fort Aguda. The white thing behind me is a lighthouse, and this is situated in Sequarium Beach, facing the Arabian Sea. And also, this is built up by the Portuguese in the 17th century, and it's maintained very well. As you can see, a lot of people come here to photo shoots. Sun is going to set. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all liked it. Do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, which is Mahadevan Iyer. Also, do hit the bell icon which is next to subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I come online or upload a new video. You guys can follow me on Snapchat, Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care.